Now we have the poetry of Bertolt Brecht, because there's a Brecht festival coming. Not only do we have Tintagel, but this is interesting actually. So Maria Michaelis is bringing Brecht back to the Brecht Forum. Who knows who I'm talking about? Bertolt Brecht wrote.
Partner of Kurt Weill.
Yeah, very important because of Kurt Weill. But here's what he wrote without. He says, Bertolt Brecht came out of the Black Forests. I, Bertolt Brecht. My mother moved me into the cities as I lay inside her body. And the coldness of the forests will be inside me till my dying day. In the asphalt city, I'm at home. From the very start, provided with every last sacrament, with newspapers, tobacco, and brandy, to end the mistrustful, lazy, and content. Oh, to the end, mistrustful, lazy, and content. That's what I'll be till the end. I'm polite and friendly to people. I put on a hard hat because that is what they do. I say they are animals with a quite peculiar smell, and I say, does it matter? I am too. Before noon on my empty rocking chairs, I'll sit, a woman or two, this is what I do before noon, and with an untroubled eye, look at them steadily and say to them, have you, here you have someone on whom you can't rely. Then towards the evening, it's men that I gather around me, and we address one another as gentlemen. They're resting their feet on my tabletops, and they say things that will get better for us, and I don't ask when they will get better. In the gray light before morning, the pine trees piss, and their vermin, the birds, raise their twitter and cheep. At that hour in the city, I drain my glass, then throw the cigar butt away and worriedly go to sleep. We have sat an easy generation in houses held to be indestructible. Thus we built those tall boxes on the island of Manhattan, and those thin aerials that amuse the Atlantic swell of those cities will remain what passed through them, the wind. The house makes glad the eater. He clears it out. We know that we're only tenants, provisional ones, and after us there will come nothing worth talking about. In the earthquakes to come, I very much hope I shall keep my cigar alight, embittered or no, I, Bertolt Brecht, carried off to the asphalt cities from the black forests inside my mother long ago. What do we get for that? Well, so Brecht anticipated Las Vegas by, what, 30, 20 years? It's called Mahagoni, and the song, oh, show us the way to the next whiskey bar.
Yes.
We'll do that next time, okay? So look forward to our next set when we incorporate more Bertolt Brecht. Brecht. What did we learn from him? He wrote about Arturo D. also. He wrote about the gangsters that became the Socialist Democrats in the 30s. You lay around